Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth and today I am sharing with you how I clean my pots. I am using hard shining pots which normally used to be shined by steel wool and sunlight bar soap. So I'm sharing with you, this is before I shined them. I don't normally shine my pots on a regular basis because I don't have time, but now it was long overdue, so let's shine my pots with me. This is the sunlight bar that I am using. I think everyone knows that when you shine your pots, we use steel wool and sunlight washing. Why do I keep on saying sunlight washing powder? It's a sunlight bar soap. So right now I am going to pour in some liquid soap there. I just need a soapy water. I'll start by refilling my bottle. It was empty, and that liquid I bought it from Checkers store. It's a Checkers brand also. I do love Checkers dishwashing soap. Normally I buy the orange one, but I couldn't find the orange one, so I went for the green one. Let's shine my pots together. If you just joined my channel, my name is Elizabeth. We do home cleaning. My channel is about everything about home. We do cleaning motivation, some lifestyles here and there. And yeah, please subscribe to my channel. Do share these videos. I hope you are going to enjoy it. And guys, I do have 3 pots and they were a gift to me. You know, when you move into a new place, people just get excited and gift you with things. So they gifted me with pots. My mom gave me to me. He has a lot of pots at home. He gave me also some plates. I came here with nothing at all. Like, I didn't prepare myself to go to a new house. The house was empty and I just came in with a sponge, guys. So I just said I will see what to do when I get there, because if I stay at home and say I will finish my house before moving in, it was really gonna take time. And if you put in some properties inside the house when you are not staying, people come and steal them. So actually, if you hang your curtains, just know that you are inviting thieves. They think that there are things inside the house, so they will come and find nothing. They will steal your curtains. They did that to the other house nearby. So immediately when I hanged my curtains, I took a sponge and moved in, because I'm not staying far from home. Some of the things like cooking, eating food and other things, bathing, I went home the following day to do those things. Then by January, I moved in on 29th of December 2020. So on the 29th this month, I'll be hitting 1 year. By January, things were coming together a bit by bit. Now my house is at least full of furniture, and the basics are all there. So I have learned a lot by moving in here without nothing. You see, when you stay at home, you buy things at home, and when you move out, you can't take them. They left there. They are the properties of the owner of that house. So I had to start from the beginning also here. I have a bed, I have a wardrobe, I have a kitchen which is fully equipped. And we are only waiting for the services from the municipality, like water, fully running water, and electricity, which we don't even know when will they do them. So, but right now I am not complaining. I have adjusted my life to this kind of situation. I'm really enjoying the place because it's my own place. It matters a lot. Do enjoy this video and share the video. Hope you enjoy it, and do stick around until the end to see how shining they are. They are even reflecting, guys. They have some glittering. Do enjoy, and I will see you in my next video next week, Monday. Bye, guys.
If I were to the sea, baby, I never say, for I will fall into the light. Every time I try to breathe, the moon will rise and carry me, for I've loved and I have died. So I won't hold back, and you should know that what's never gone just have regrets. So I won't go back, down to abyss. While I blame the world's neglect, then I shine right back again. So I won't hold back, and you should know that what's never gone, just like regrets. So I won't go back. Oh, would it guide me to forget the time I lost with no regrets? Let me forget.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.